Hello.
Hi.
So while it does seem like traveling super glamorous and really fun, you can't forget about the small mundane things you need to do to keep it going in order, like laundry or like working out, you know?
Hello, I'm Roman. I'm from Italy, and I'm in Shanghai to meet some people that I knew from a long time ago, and I haven't seen for a long time.
Metro stations here are unreal. Like, they're huge, spacious, clean. There's a bunch of stuff to look at. Confirm Apple stores here in Shanghai are equally as lit as they are in the States. I just popped in and caught one of these bad boys. Just had to listen to music. I have a 17-hour train ride tomorrow, so this is gonna come in handy. All right, so same dinner as yesterday, different meat. Dinner of one today. So I found one of these guys in my company. So I'm gonna order these. It's like getting a curly fry in your regular French fries. Got a little late night snack to fuel my fried food addiction, so here you go.